Title: The Concept of Charity in Islam, Exploring Zakat, Sadaqah, and Other Forms of Khairat. Introduction. Charity, or sadaqah in Arabic, holds a central position in Islam, reflecting the faith's emphasis on compassion, generosity, and social justice. Beyond mere acts of goodwill, charity is seen as a fundamental obligation and a means of purifying wealth and souls. The principles of zakat, sadaqah, and other forms of khairat encompass various ways in which Muslims fulfill their duty to help those in need and contribute to the betterment of society. This essay delves into the detailed concepts of zakat, sadaqah, and other forms of khairat in Islam, exploring their significance, mechanisms, and impact on individuals and communities. Zakat, the obligatory charity. Zakat stands as one of the 5 pillars of Islam, emphasizing the mandatory aspect of charity for financially capable Muslims. The term zakat, derived from the Arabic root zaka, meaning purification or growth, signifies the purification of wealth and the spiritual growth achieved through giving. It is obligatory upon those whose wealth reaches or exceeds a certain threshold, and is typically set at 2.5% of one's accumulated wealth and savings over the course of a lunar year. The purposes of zakat are multifaceted. 1. Providing for the needy. Zakat serves as a means of redistributing wealth to ensure the well-being of the less fortunate in society, including orphans, widows, the poor, and those in debt. 2. Social cohesion. By fostering a sense of communal responsibility, zakat strengthens the bonds within the Muslim community, promoting solidarity and mutual support. 3. Spiritual purification. Giving zakat is believed to purify one's wealth and soul, cleansing it from greed, selfishness, and attachment to material possessions. 4. Economic equity. Zakat plays a crucial role in addressing economic disparities and promoting equity by ensuring that wealth is circulated among all segments of society. Sadaqah, the voluntary charity. In addition to zakat, Islam encourages voluntary acts of charity known as sadaqah. Unlike zakat, which is obligatory and has specific guidelines, sadaqah is discretionary and can take various forms, including monetary donations, acts of kindness, volunteering, or any form of assistance to those in need. Sadaqah stems from the generosity of the heart and reflects a deeper commitment to social welfare beyond mere compliance with religious duties. The significance of sadaqah lies in its spontaneity and sincerity. 1. Heartfelt giving. Sadaqah is characterized by its voluntary nature, reflecting the genuine desire to help others and alleviate their suffering. 2. Personal growth. Engaging in sadaqah cultivates virtues such as compassion, empathy, and altruism, fostering personal development and spiritual enrichment. 3. Flexibility and creativity. Unlike zakat, which follows specific rules and calculations, sadaqah offers flexibility in terms of the form, amount, and recipients of charity, allowing individuals to tailor their giving according to circumstances and needs. 4. Continuous reward. Sadaqah is believed to yield perpetual rewards, as even small acts of kindness and generosity can have far-reaching impacts on individuals and communities. Khairat, other forms of charitable giving. In addition to zakat and sadaqah, Islam encompasses various other forms of charitable giving, collectively referred to as khairat. These include 1. Fidya and kafara. Fidya, compensation, and kafara, expiation, are forms of charity prescribed for specific religious obligations or violations, such as missed fasts or broken oaths. Fidya involves providing food or monetary compensation to those in need, while kafara entails performing specific acts of atonement. 2. Fitrana, also known as Zakat al-Fitr. Fitrana is a form of charity given during the month of Ramadan before Eid al-Fitr. It serves as a means of purification for the fasting individual and ensures that the less fortunate can partake in the joyous festivities of Eid. 3. Sadaqat al-Fitr. Similar to Fitrana, Sadaqat al-Fitr is a form of charity given at the end of Ramadan, preceding the Eid prayer. It serves as a purification for the fasting individual and ensures that the basic needs of the less fortunate are met during the festive occasion. Benefits of charity in Islam. The practice of charity in Islam yields numerous benefits for both individuals and society at large. 1. Spiritual fulfillment. Giving charity is a means of fulfilling one's religious duty and earning spiritual rewards, leading to a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. 2. Social welfare. Charity promotes social justice, economic equity, and the well-being of marginalized communities, fostering a more inclusive and compassionate society. 3. Personal growth. Engaging in charitable acts cultivates virtues such as generosity, empathy, and gratitude, contributing to individual growth and moral development. 4. Community cohesion. Charity strengthens the bonds within the Muslim community, promoting solidarity, cooperation, and mutual support among its members. 5. Economic stability. Zakat and other forms of charity contribute to economic stability by redistributing wealth, alleviating poverty, and fostering sustainable development. 6. Divine blessings. Charity is believed to attract divine blessings and protection, safeguarding individuals and communities from adversity and misfortune. Conclusion. Charity, as mandated by Islam, encompasses a broad spectrum of obligations and voluntary acts aimed at alleviating suffering, promoting social justice, and fostering spiritual growth. From the obligatory zakat to the voluntary sadaqah and other forms of khairat, charity serves as a cornerstone of Islamic ethics, reflecting the faith's emphasis on compassion, generosity, and communal welfare. By fulfilling their duty to give, Muslims not only uphold their religious obligations, but also contribute to the betterment of humanity, embodying the timeless values of compassion, empathy, and solidarity. In a world marked by inequality and suffering, the principles of charity in Islam offer a timeless blueprint for creating a more just, equitable, and compassionate society.